Hello everyone, myself Dharanendra, student of ICCA studying at Davangere. So in today's session, we will discuss about deletion of array elements. So in the last section, we have discussed about creating the array element and printing the array elements and inserting the elements to the array. So in this session, we will discuss about deleting that particular element from that array. So I will continue this in the yesterday's code itself. So I need to modify it. So we'll create another case case 5. So we'll add this exit here. So we'll create a function for deletion of array. Deleting array break. So we need to write this here. Photo exist. So to make it 5. Delete array element. Okay, I've written a condition here. Let me check that. I need to create the function. So this won't have any return type. It's a void. Let me check this. So to create print, insert, delete. So I have created the printer. Now I need to write the function to delete that array. So for that I require a loop I is equal to 0, I less than size I plus plus. Before that I need to get the element from the user which should I delete from that array. So enter the element you wish to delete element. So I need to declare that element int element. So I need to read percentage / element. Okay, now I need to write the condition. If a of I is equal to element, so if a of I is equal to element, that a of I should get replaced with the further element a of I plus 1. Next, so I will add the a plus I to element, and so we need to decrement a size by 1. So because when we delete an array the last element will be having no values, so we need to decrement that size here. So I decremented the size. So let's call the print array function here so that you can see the arrays after deleting it. Let me check this. Printf. Enter the choice. Create an array of size 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So choice, I need to delete the array elements, right? So enter the element you wish to delete. I wish to delete the second one. So there is something going wrong. I need to write this size minus out of the loop. Okay, let me check now. Size 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enter the choice 4. Enter the element to select the second element. So a of 5, a of 0 has 1, a of 0 has 1, a of 1 had 2. So I have deleted that element. So now a of 1 has 3, and vice versa, all the elements have been transferred to here. And the last element is, so the last element will be having 0, so no need to print that. So this is how it works. Let me show it by debugging. So I'm pointing it here. Let me debug. Okay. Into the choice 1, size 5, elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So enter the choice. I need to delete the other elements here, right? So for choice, enter the element you wish to delete. So I would like to delete the element 3. So now see, we have 3 in the element, right? The loop execution has started, so it will check the condition if a of y is equal to element. Just a minute. Okay, the loop has been started, so it checked the condition, not yet. So the element 3 is at second position or in the second index, so I should be 2 to exhibit this condition. So I hope I is 2. Yes, now I is 2. So now it will match, because because when a of y, when I is 2, there is element 3, and we wish to delete the element 3, so it gets into it. Now a of y in that position, it will get replaced with a of I plus 1. In a of y we have 4, and this 4 will be replaced in and the 4 will be replaced in the second index. See, element is 3. Okay, now these elements get replaced with this time. There's a quad changes here. I need to make it I plus 1. Okay, so I need to stop this debugging. We start it again. Start, continue. Okay, enter choice 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, enter choice 4, 4. So I would like to delete the element 3. So the loop execution started. It will check the condition. In a of 0 we have got 1, so the condition get false, and it just gets, and the I is incremented now. So I is equal to 1. In a of I we have 2, so it also get false, and now I is incremented. Now I is equal to 2. In a of y we have 3, so the condition is true, it gets inside it. So the a of y is replaced with the next element of it, that is in a of 3 there is a 4. Now 4 is get replaced, and the 4 will replace the 3. The 4 will get into the second index, and the elements and that 4 will same get into the element 2, so that the further operation will be carried out here. So let me show you. See, now a of y, and now element will be filled with 4. Now element is in 4. When the I gets incremented, it will be a of 3, right? Now I will be 3, and the element and the condition gets true here. Now in a of 3 we have 4, and the element is also 4 now. So now it gets, and this cursor get inside now, and the further element, the 5, will be placed inside a of y. In the same way it gets looping. Okay, so now we have element 0, like all the elements will be replaced back one after the other. Now in A of 4 we have 0, so there is no necessity of printing that, so we have decremented the size here. See, A of 0 we have decremented the size here. Now I will print the elements 1, 2, 4, 5. See, the A of 4 has been ignored here, like we have not printed it, and in A of 2 we had 3, we have deleted it. Now A of 2 has 4 elements. So this is how the deletion of array works. Thanks for watching my video.